Hello Gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my family binder. I have $60 in prop money. So let's get started. I don't remember where we left off at. So we're just going to start at the beginning. All right, so let's go here. This is created by Budget with Carly, say $60. And let's do this one. Oops, and $6. 5 and 6 for my daughter. Next is for my son. Come on out. And this is created by Lemon Ivy. Let's go here. And that is a 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Just trying to see if I can make some change. Next, oh yeah, I think I can finish this one. Yes. So this is created by Janelle Ray Budgets, and this is for myself. And wow, I could have finished this one last time. A whole $1. Perfect. $1. So let's see how much did we save for me. Bring my tracker out. So this is a 60 plus because it was a skip or double, and I was able to save $50, $65, $67, $68. So $68. Let me get my pen. And this is the high yield savings. Plus 68. Balance 68. Perfect. And I can bring a new one in for that one. So we completed one challenge. Yay. So I think we all got, we all so far got something. And this savings is just for nothing particular. Just wanted to boost our little sinking funds for each one of us. And this one is for hubby. This is says 55, created by Bookish Mama Budgets. Let's go here. And that is a 5. So $5. And let's put this 5 back and grab this 10. Perfect. And let's pull a card. Oops. And this is created by Mischief Managed Budget. Just one more episode. And this is for any house savings. Ooh, baby. That is a 13. I thought I was going to do 2 cards. We probably just do 1. 13. Oop. 10, 11, 12, 13. Ooh, we got 2 cards left. We're getting close to finishing that one. I think the total is 120. All right, so now and so the adventure begins. So this is saving for any adventures. And this is created by Bookish Mama Budget, says $40. And let's go here. Oh, that's a 5. I want to do 2 on here. Let's do another one. Oh, Lordy. Maybe I should just did 1. 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. So you never know. Trying to be greedy. All right. Emergency. I think I wanted to finish. Oh, I wanted to finish this page. I got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We got 13. And this is, oh, what is this book called? The Life of a Duck Named What? Created by Snow Garden 307. And we got this big shark for 5. No, how much is this big shark? 3. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So $9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Leave me with $4. Okay, that ain't bad. We got through the whole book. And then we completed 2. So that is great. So I'm just going to, I don't know what color I use. I'm just going to outline his fin here. So I know I completed these. And I'll go back in color. So that's 2, 4, 6. And then 6, 7, 8, 9. So $9. I had to make sure. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is another completed challenge. And let's see how much we was able to save with this challenge. Let's see. We was able to save 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and $40. Oh, it's a challenge. It says $40. Oh, dear. So emergency is plus 40. So let's get the calculator. 521 plus 40 is 561. Perfect. All right. So that one is done. And next we will start on this page. We are moving along. All right. Move that out the way. So with our last $4, because you know I don't want to IOU, we are going to put it in the 100 envelope challenge created by Snow Garden 307. And I'm just using this as a, this is for like my buffer. So $4. Perfect. All right. And yeah, so this is a full page. And we almost finished with the first row. Look at us. All right, gems, that is it. That was $60 put into my family binder. We completed a challenge for myself and for my emergency. So I am excited about that. And thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.